How to make black document background in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your device. Here, click on File at the top left. After you click on File, click on More at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on Options here. After you click on Options in here, you'll find all these options. Search for Office Theme. There, click on Office Theme and click on Black, and you'll find Never Change the Document page. Color, make sure there's no tick mark. After you do that, press on OK at the bottom. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to change your document into black color in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.